on, baby. Look at these little guys. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, shit. Why, Chris?
Look at them trying to do this. I do this.
Yeah, hold on.
Look, and drink with that in. Ryan. What? No, go try and get my hand.
Yeah.
You gotta watch out for him. He likes females, but he's sexist. He hates men.
Welcome to the club.
You can't hate men. Man, bitch of your own.
I think he's the dominant one in the relationship between me and him, actually. It's pretty sad. It's a Labrador Retriever. She doesn't have a name yet. It's a given, Labrador. They're so